Today we're diving into the 2026 Can-Am Ryker Rally 900, a bold and playful three-wheeled ride designed to bring adventure and personality to every road. With a sportier stance and enhanced features, this version of the Ryker aims to blur the lines between everyday fun and offbeat touring capability. Design and style, rugged looks with attitude. The 2026 Ryker Rally 900 sports a tougher, more aggressive look compared to standard Ryker models. With a raised front end, rally-style fenders, and grippy tires, this machine gives off a sense of adventure before the engine even starts. The overall design balances practicality with a fun, youthful spirit that fits riders looking for something different. Engine and performance, power with purpose. Under the bodywork sits the Rotax 900 Ace engine, an efficient and responsive three-cylinder unit that delivers smooth torque and peppy performance. It's tuned to make city riding, canyon carving, and open road cruising equally enjoyable. The instant torque and light steering make it easy to maneuver, while the three-wheel platform provides confidence at all speeds. Comfort and ergonomics, built for enjoyment. Can-Am designed the Ryker Rally 900 to be comfortable and accessible to a wide range of riders. The seating position is relaxed but engaged, allowing for hours of enjoyment behind the handlebars without excessive fatigue. Adjustable foot pegs and bars help tailor the ride to individual preferences, ensuring long days feel better. Technology and features, modern and rider-friendly. This Ryker comes equipped with essential tech that enhances safety and convenience. Features like ABS, traction control, and an intuitive digital display bring rider confidence and clarity to every twist of the throttle. Optional upgrades, like storage solutions and connectivity packages, add extra practicality for longer journeys or daily adventures. Handling and ride quality, stable yet agile. The three-wheel layout of the Rally 900 brings remarkable stability, especially in corners and on varying surfaces. The combination of front dual wheels and rear drive gives a planted feel in turns, while the suspension setup soaks up bumps without harshness. It's playful and predictable, perfect for riders who want excitement without intimidation. Final thoughts, adventure with a twist. The 2026 Can-Am Ryker Rally 900 isn't just a three-wheeled ride. It's a personality-filled experience that reimagines how fun on the road should feel. With its energetic performance, bold styling, and rider-friendly setup, it's a standout choice for those seeking an alternative to traditional motorcycles. Thanks for watching this breakdown from Auto Reviews, where fun meets honest insight.